Hi, it's Liz. I'm really grumpy. I'm on my period. I have absolutely nothing positive to say about anything. I took a really nice nap in the sun today, and then I sat up and I got blood all over my pants that I was wearing. So I need to go do laundry tomorrow. I should have gone today, but I didn't go. I just changed my clothes in my car, and it sucks because I went to, it's just, you know, I don't want to be on my period living in my car. I want to be on my period and living in a home where I have my stuff and I can, like, make my tea and, like, lay in bed and, like, not have to worry about, like, ruining my pants when I'm in public. And what if I ruin all my pants? And what if I ruin all my pants and I don't have money for laundry because I'm running out of money again? And I hate everything so much. I've been beating myself up because, like, I feel like I should be making, like, like a specific kind of content, kind of like going through my story, you know what I mean? Like all the things that have happened to me, but I really don't want to. Like, there is not one little even shred. Look, I don't want to. I don't want to talk about it. I lived through it. I don't, and like, I mean, I know that it's useful information. I know that it will help people, but I don't want to talk about it right now, especially. Like, I don't want to talk about all the other horrible things that have happened to me while like, the crescendo of all those horrible things is still happening to me, you know? I made a bunch of skate videos today, and they're all awesome, and I'm very proud of them, and I'm very proud of myself, and everything still sucks. I'm still amazing, and everything still sucks, you know? What more is there to say? I miss my kid. She didn't want to hang out at the library today, which I totally understand. Fuck, I didn't want to hang out at the library today, you know? I think it's gonna rain again tomorrow. It's getting quite cold again. So maybe she'll want to go, if not to the library tomorrow, maybe she'll want to go roller skating at her school. There's like a little covered area and it's close to her dad's house. So maybe we can just do that for 30 minutes. It doesn't have to be a big thing, you know? I'm just tired. I'm sad. Yeah. Sorry about all that background noise. Yeah, I guess I don't really have anything to say tonight except for I'm sad, I'm tired, my body hurts, and this sucks. Nothing has changed. No news. Just the same old, same old. If you're not subscribed, you should subscribe. I'm trying to get to, I'm still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I always say followers, or I mean subscribers to my YouTube. I'm still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I have like almost 120 right now. I think I have 119, and that's so cool. That's like, I think I started with like 30 something at the beginning of this. So that's like pretty darn good for 1 month, That growth, Yeah. I want to embroider this, or like mend it. And I had, I didn't keep any of it with me, but I had like an embroidery thing with like the little hoops and like these things. And that was like one of my projects that I wanted to do, was to patch these and make them really cute. And then I was going to wax this jacket too. I kind of want to re-dye it because I didn't really do that great of a job, and I accidentally put vinegar on when I thought I was just putting I thought I was putting like a mixture of something in water, like humectant in water, but it was a different thing. Anyways, so it made the tones really muted in the jacket, and so I kind of want to re-dye it also. Or not, I don't know. Not that I have. Not that that's like possible in any way, shape, or form. I left all my, I don't have any of my dyeing stuff, and I don't have any dye. I didn't have much dye anyway, and then I left all my dyeing stuff, like my pots and my containers and pieces of felt and all kinds of stuff, and chemicals. Couldn't take them with me in my car, and I didn't have a place to put them, and yeah. Well, thank you for sitting in this sad little moment with me. I really do appreciate it. Sometimes we're just like in a quiet moment of like grief, sadness, heartache, melancholy, Sometimes that's just what it is, and that's okay. So I appreciate you being here with me. And I hope that you got to belly laugh today. I hope that you got to dance your ass off, and if you didn't get to dance your ass off, I hope that you shook your booty just a little bit, just a little booty shaking, just a teeny tiny bit. I do appreciate you being here with me, and I'll talk to you tomorrow, for sure, yeah? Subscribe, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Bye.